Good evening, friends. Today is 6th of June 2020. Now, today in the evening, I would like to discuss an issue which is important to all traders stroke investors, which is that has a new bull market started. Now, first, let's define what is a bull market. A bull market is that situation in the market where the sellers are done. When everybody has completed whatever selling they had to do and there is no one left to sell, that is when a fresh bull market happens. In all probability, whatever has happened in the month of March, April, etc., the sense on the charts and otherwise seems to be that the sellers are done, which means the large sellers. What we've seen with institutional flows also, that the foreigners are getting bullish. The DIIs are also buying every other day. And at the start of the bull market, the news is terrible. And that I think all will agree that you cannot have worse news. Country in lockdown, GDP contraction, government in dire straits, banks, going bust, etc. But what is happening? SBI came out with results which were not too great. But SBI yesterday, which was 5th of June, went up 8%. Why does that happen? Because everybody is done in their selling. We had this banking news, the Supreme Court case on moratorium. The Bank Nifty could not go down 500, 550 points and it came back 800 points. Now, in my experience, a market that is not falling on bad news is a market which wants to go higher. Number two, the mid cap, small caps have been killed. They were killed in 2019, 2018 only. So they've all corrected sharply down. The large caps also got bashed and bruised in this correction. Now what is left to fall? Okay. So even in that sort of situation, we have a great chance that a fresh bull market has started. Number three, bull market needs to have strong leadership. And I think the flag bearer of the next bull market is ready, and it is Reliance Industries, where an accumulation pattern is taking shape and a target of 2400 is now clearly visible on Reliance. The economy is opening up. You can say 80% of it is open, and the fear factor of corona is now kind of moving aside. Now, whether daily cases are 8,000 or 10,000, the view seems to be that it can be dealt with. The fear is going away. And as the country, economy, people get used to this new mask and gloves lifestyle, I think to a large extent the economy will come back. See, again, something I explained in an earlier video. At 12,400, the building was creaky and was shaking. That building collapsed. To compare the economy at 12,400 and at 10,000 is not quite the same thing, because a lot of it is in the price. Okay. So that way, my sense is that possibly now the Nifty may not go below 94, 9500. Okay. And I know I am putting my neck on the line, but I am telling you the way I am seeing it. US markets are likely to hit new highs, and chances are that they will tag our market along. Even people there are very unhappy that economy is so bad, why is the market going up? The seeds of bull market are sown when the situation is at its worst. Okay, and that is the market's way of looking ahead. Mankind never dies. It always keeps coming back beyond adversity. So, you will have a fairly sharp and strong recovery, as well as strong as the decline you saw, because you are coming off of a lower base now. And what I have been saying about mean reversion and things getting back to the 200-day moving averages, that will happen. Okay. And the way we came down, gapping down, is the same way we are going to go up. All of these unfilled gaps which happened on the downside will get sharply recovered on the upside as well. So all of this, worst case earnings, worst case economy, worst case, corona, etc., is now priced in. The market wants good news, is looking for good news, is going to reward good news. And even when news is not so good, it will recover strongly from lower levels and keep moving up. It's all, the kind of glasses that a person wears. Sometimes markets are depressed, they are coming down even on good news. At other times, markets are happy to accept good news and they keep going up. So, tax revenues are down, this is down, that is down. All this is likely to recover in the next few months. At least that is what the market seems to be pricing in. We have some sort of strong leadership, and that leadership will keep taking the market higher and will keep attracting money. I keep saying that all of this, large dollops of money which is coming in is a vote of confidence on Indian companies. So somewhere, even this is a huge indicator of a fresh new bull market. I believe, this sort of tech stroke telecom type of sector, which includes Reliance Jio, Bharti, etc. Because see, Reliance Jio, if that goes up, Bharti will tag along. It may not be the same company, but it's a similar company. Plus, mid cap, small cap bull market is also likely, because all of these guys, their valuation, their everything has been killed. So if something has fallen from 100 rupees to 5 rupees, it going back to 20 is not such a big deal. So the biggest bull may be coming in the small cap to mid cap. Financials will lag a little bit, which means that people will move towards stronger financial companies, the top 5. Okay. And pharma, FMCG, they are likely to get into a bigger bull market, because people are much more likely to focus on essentials. But these cyclicals like metals, like sort of the construction type of stocks, like Larsen, etc., even they will move up. Discretionary consumption will come back very strongly. So things like Voltas or PVR or Indigo, etc., they will move up strongly. Property stocks have been killed, so the better property stocks like Godrej Properties, etc., they will do well. Stuff like DMart. So if you choose your 20 odd stocks properly, it will be possible to participate in this bull market. Okay, don't try to get into very weak or the third runger type of companies too much. If you have like 20 stocks, 15 of them should be good, solid, large cap companies. Maybe 4 or 5 you can pick out on the smaller mid caps relatively. Not unknown type of companies, but relatively the smaller guys can be looked at, but only to the extent of 20 to 25%, and where businesses and brands are visible. Okay, so let's see if this call works out. I think there is a big chance of this working out, given the sorts of depression and everything else I can see around. I think the situation is perfect. So if you plant the seeds today, it's possible, even if things get back to a semblance of normalcy, you will see much higher levels, and the markets will hit new highs much before the economy recovers. Just keep this in mind. The market is not a news channel. It is a forecaster of the future. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.